Another useful tool database system offers is to generate reports. Reports are very important thing that you want to have. For example, you want to create a report on your book inventory, how many books you have. You want to create a report on overdue items. You might want to create a report on unknown items. So this demonstration shows you how to create a report. Again, we'll go to create. Report is fairly complicated, so we'll start with report wizard. We'll let the wizard to create a draft report for us, which we can then refine. Because we're going to create a report on all the books, so we will use the underlining table book as our data source. As you can see, queries could be data sources too, because when query runs, it becomes a data holder. It holds a set of records. So now let's try first use book as the data source. We will add all the fields to our report. Then we change our mind. We don't want unknown. Okay, so we put unknown back, because we're only going to generate an inventory report on book. So we'll say next, and we want to group by publication date. Our publication date is really only years, so we don't want really by months. So we can change that to make it by year. Okay, so next. And how do you want to sort your records in the report? Let's first sort by author, then by title. And next, the layout looks fine. So I'll say next. The color looks okay. Next. And we will call it book inventory report, and finish. So as you can see, a report is generated for us. All the books in our record in our table is listed. It's first ordered by grouped by year, and then ordered by author name, and then by title. Author name and by title. And we have publication, we're missing a B. We will fix that. Also, what we see here, there's a page number generated for us. This report is only one page long, and also a timestamp. So now let's go to the design view. To close this print view, go to the design view to refine it. So what we see here, there is a report header. Report header will show once in a report, and the page header will show on every page. In this case, we have only one page. If you have multiple pages, and this purple bar will show on every pages. And the publication date header, all those would be the body of our report. And also, as you see, the page footer there, where we see a timestamp, is actually generated by the function now. Equals function now. And there are also page numbers created automatically for us. So what we want to do is to correct some of the errors. First, we have a title there, but the title was showing in the wrong color. So we want to make it good color. Make it black, and give a space. Book inventory report. We'll also change the missing P. We need to make this field a little bit wider by drag it a little bit more. Okay, good. And now we can go and look at our report. So we have a title here.